Hi guys, welcome back. If you haven't been here before, my name is Kate and I am helping you create better content so that you can make an income through social media, UGC content, and brand deals. Today I'm super excited to share with you some items that I requested for my birthday, and those came in. So we are going to review them, talk about them, and how I'm going to utilize them for UGC content creation. These tools are not only incredibly versatile, but they're also a fantastic value for the price, so I will make sure to link them below in the description of this video. By the way, these are affiliate links, so I do earn a small commission at no additional cost to you if you purchase through my link, and I will be talking a little bit later in the video about how you can use affiliate links starting today to start adding to your income on social media. Let's jump right in. First on my list is the iPhone 14, which is my new phone I just recently got. The camera quality on this phone is unmatched, at least for the price, perfect for shooting high-resolution photos and videos for UGC. The cinematic mode is a game changer for creating professional-looking content. It's truly an investment in quality and versatility, whether you're capturing a lifestyle video or a product close-up. After upgrading my camera, the next thing at the top of my list was this photography backdrop kit. It includes 12 double-sided boards, giving me 22 different patterns to choose from, as well as 2 shadow boards. These backdrops are perfect for small product photography, whether you're shooting flat lays or detailed product close-ups. They're lightweight, portable, and come with a convenient carrying bag. I have a small home with very little natural light, and this kit has made it so much easier to take professional looking photos and videos of products. Next up, we have the 14-piece product photography background props. These waterproof hard foam geometric cubes are fantastic for elevating your product shots. They allow you to create dynamic and visually interesting setups for any product, whether it's skincare, food, or accessories. The clean white finish gives your content a polished, professional feel. They're so easy to work with. Honestly, this set is a must-have for anyone serious about UGC. Last but not least, we have this Acrylic Mirror Set. This reflective display sheet set is perfect for adding a touch of creativity and elegance to your photo shoots. Mirrors are excellent for showcasing products from multiple angles while adding depth and dimension to your shots. Plus, they're lightweight and super easy to position for that perfect reflective effect. This set includes multiple sizes and shapes, so you can customize your setup for any project. Now let's talk about how you can turn products you love into a source of income. The Amazon affiliate program is a fantastic way to earn money while recommending products that you already use and love. Here's how it works. Number 1, sign up for the Amazon Associates program. It's free and easy to join. Number 2, start browsing for products that you love and start compiling a list of affiliate links. Number 3, share those links on your platforms, whether that's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever. Mine are going to be linked down below in the description of this video. Number 4, when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission at no additional cost to them. It's really that simple. You just need to have people see your link and decide to make a purchase through it. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your content before you get accepted into those monetization programs on those platforms. YouTube, you have to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours first. TikTok, influencers have to reach 10,000 viewers. TikTok Shop, you have to get accepted into the program, which means you have to meet certain requirements first, usually at least 5,000 followers. Lots of platforms have walls that you have to hit before you can start making money, but affiliate links, you can start making money today. So it is a fantastic thing to go ahead and implement right from the beginning. If you want to learn all the ins and outs of affiliate marketing and other ways that you can make money online with social media, I am going to be posting a lot of content all the way up through June. I'm calling it my little 6-month challenge. Follow along with my videos, build your skill set, and start learning how to make money online. I'm providing all of that completely for free to you and giving away little freebie templates and all sorts of stuff like that. It's packed with actionable tips, tutorials, and strategies to help you monetize your social media, master affiliate marketing, and make money with UGC, which is user-generated content. Check the description for more details. I would love to have you join me. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Drop a comment and let me know which item you think would be the most helpful to your UGC journey. And if you have any questions on affiliate marketing, UGC content creation, or monetizing social media, drop those questions below and I will try to make a video in response. Until next time, happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.